Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15.0 on Windows 11 or 10 or servers. Okay, for all installation process is same. So first go to Tor Browser official website. It is torproject.org. Close this one. See here we have the download Tor Browser or download Tor Browser. Either is same. So click on either of them. Close again. See here we have the download for Windows. Click on it. See download started. Go to downloads. See here its size is 108 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See here the version 15.0. See download is completed. Now click on this Tor Browser exe file. Select the language from this list. Then click on OK. Select the installation location. This is the default one. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the location. Then click on install. See, installation has been started. It is simple and straightforward installation. See, installation completed. See here the checkboxes: run Tor Browser and add start menu and desktop icons. Okay, so select this and click on finish. See, you got the Tor Browser. Now we have to connect to Tor. Just click on connect, or if you want always connect automatically, just you have to turn on, then connect. See, you got the Tor Browser, and see here the default search engine for Tor Browser is DuckDuckGo. Now verify the version. Go to these three horizontal bars, then help, then click on about Tor Browser. See here we have installed Tor Browser 15.0. See, this is based on Mozilla Firefox 140.4. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15.0 on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.